Hello dear student, welcome to Dream India School. This is my profile, see this. Today I am start your new chapter Combustion and Flame, chapter 6. Okay dear student, in this lecture we learn about combustion. Okay, so let's start combustion. See this, people generally use wood, cow dung, cake, craft residue, kerosene oil, coke or LPG gas to cook food. For running vehicles, we use petrol or diesel oil. Okay. In factories, we use coal or fuel, oil or natural gas. The material such as wood, coke, LPG, petrol, diesel, and natural gas have one property, that is they produce heat. That is they produce heat on burning, which is then put into different uses. Okay, dear student. Further, more some materials on burning produce flame and some do not. Some materials some materials on burning produce flame and some do not. For example, a candle or coal gas on burning produce a flame, but not the coal or charcoal, but not the coal and charcoal. When you burn candle, then candle produce flame, but coal and charcoal coal and charcoal do not form flame. So let us study the chemical process of burning and the types of flame produced during this process. Okay, dear student. Combustion. What is the combustion? You what is the combustion? Some substances like the magnesium catches fire and burns with a dazzling white flame when heated in air. Similarly, when piece of paper is brought near a candle flame, it burns, producing heat and light. Okay, dear student. Air or oxygen which help in burning, air and oxygen which help in burning is called supporter of combustion. Is called air and oxygen are the supporter of combustion and the chemical reaction. Okay, dear student, which take place with which take place which take place with the release of heat and light energy is called combustion. That means combustion substance which burns in air to produce heat and light are called combustion substances. Okay, dear student. For example, wood, coal, charcoal, kerosene, petrol, diesel, liquefied petroleum gas, that means LPG, compressed natural gas CNG. Okay, these are the these are the material which when burning produce flame or not. Some materials are produce flame or and some do not. Okay, dear student, I am also told to you that. Let us see combustion, the chemical process in which the chemical process in which a substance react with oxygen to produce heat is called combustion. Okay, I hope all of you understood this. The chemical process in which a substance react with oxygen. Okay, that means any materials burning in the presence of oxygen, then they produce heat. Okay, and flame as well, flame or not. Combustion to produce heat is called combustion. The substance which undergoes combustion is called a combustible substance. The substance which undergoes combustion is called a combustible substance. Okay, dear student. It is also called a fuel. It is also called a fuel. Some light is also produced during combustion either as a flame or as a glow. Air is necessary for combustion. Okay, without air your burning is not possible. That means without air burning is not possible. Let some do activity uh, because uh, air is the necessary for burning. Okay, let us see this. Air is necessary for burning. You have a three tumbler and three candles. Let us see this. Fixed a lighted candle on a table. Put a glass chimney over the table and rest it on a few wooden blocks in such a way so that air can enter the chimney. Okay, dear student. Observe what happened to the flame. Now remove the blocks and let the chimney rest on the table. Again observe the flame. Then put a glass plate over the chimney. Then, then put a glass plate over the chimney. Observe the flame again. The candle burn freely. In 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 figure A, because air enters the chimney from below. Okay, dear student. The candles stop burning in figure V because air does not enter the chimney from below. The candle does not burn in figure C because air is not available. This shows that air is necessary for burning. This is the figure. I hope all of you understood this. If you want to do this activity at home, then you take a candle and and uh, and also take a glass. Okay, and when you burn candle, then you put the glass on the candle flame. That means enter the that candle. Cover the glass from that. Cover the candle from that glass. Okay. After then you see that after some time uh, your candle is turned off. Okay, dear student. Ignition temperature. What is the ignition temperature? The minimum temperature at which a substance catches fire and burn is called its ignition temperature. A substance will not catch fire and burn if its temperature is lower than its ignition temperature. Different substances have different ignition temperature. For example, the ignition temperature of kerosene is less than the ignition temperature of wood. Substances which have very low ignition temperature and can easily catch fire with a flame are called inflammable substance. Example: petrol, alcohol, LPG, CNG, etc. Okay, that means the substance which have very low ignition temperature that and can easily catch fire. Okay, dear student. I hope all of you understood this uh, about ignition temperature, that the minimum temperature at which a substance catch fire and is burns is called its ignition temperature. That means any substances can catch fire easily. Okay, that is the ignition temperature. If ignition temperature is very low, then then that substance is catch fire as soon as very soon. Okay, dear student. Okay, bye. Thank you so much.